Hello, Sharon here. So you've created your very first basic mind map and you love it. But now you feel like you want to take it up a notch and add a few emojis and extra notes to the topics. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So let's crack on. So we'll start off with adding an icon. All you need to do is right click on the topic that you want to add an icon to and click on the emoji symbol here. Then make sure you're in the icons tab here. Now you can view the different categories along the bottom here, and if you hover over any of them it will tell you what they are. You can also search for a specific item by typing it in the search bar here, or you can just scroll down the main section here to view everything. So once you've found the icon that you want to add, click on it and it will appear in the topic. So if you click on this small icon here in the top left, this is your positioning. So you can actually change the position to the left, to the top, the right, or the bottom. So I'm just going to keep that as top. And if you want to change the color of the icon, click on the colored circle over on the right here and choose one of the default colors that's already here. Or if you want to add in your own color, then click on the little arrow here and put in the hex code of the color that you want to use. To resize the icon, simply hover over it and you'll see a little bracket appear in the bottom right corner of where the icon is, and all you need to do is click and drag that to resize the actual icon. To remove the icon completely, right click again on the topic, go to the emoji symbol here, make sure you're in the icons and click remove at the bottom here, and it will remove it. So moving on to adding emojis, and it's basically the same as adding an icon with just a couple of small differences. So right click on the topic where you want to add the emoji, click on the emoji icon here at the top and make sure you're on the emoji tab here. Now you can view the different categories across the top here. Again, hover over them and it will tell you what they are. You can also search for something specific in the search bar here, or you can just scroll down the main section here to view them all. So once you've found the emoji you want to use, click on it and it will be added to the topic. Click on the icon in the top left corner here to reposition it. So if we have this to the right. Now, unlike the icons, you can't resize or change the color of the emojis, I'm afraid. And you also can't have both an icon and an emoji in the same topic. You can only have one or the other. And finally, to remove the emoji, again, right click on the topic where the emoji is and make sure you're in the emojis and go to remove at the bottom here, and it's gone. So moving on to media and attachments. If you want to add an attachment to your mind map and you've got a free account, unfortunately you can't do this. To add any of your own media or attachments, you need to be on a paid version. Now, if you do have a paid account, then all you need to do is right click on the topic, click on the Actions tab, which is this one here, and then click on Media. And you would upload an image from your PC, or you can simply drag and drop the image directly onto the topic to upload it. And then you just click on the image itself to reposition it. It's the same process if you want to upload a file, say for example a PDF document. Right click on the topic, go to the Actions tab here, and then click on Attachment instead of Media. And then either navigate to where the file is saved or drag and drop it directly onto the topic. But as I said, if you want to do either of these, then you need to be on one of the paid plans, not the free account. So coming back to the free account, you can add a link to any topic. So to do this, right click on the topic where you want the link to be, make sure you're in the Actions tab here and paste any link into this box here. Then click the blue arrow here to apply it. So now when you click off, you'll now see the little link icon to the right of the topic name. So when you click on it, you have the option of opening the link. Click on there and it will open, or click on the three dots here and you can remove it. And finally, to add notes, right click on the topic where you want the note to go, make sure you're in the Actions tab and click on Note here. Start typing out the note, and if you want to format it, click on Formatting at the bottom here. This will open up a window of code that you can use to add bulleted lists, bold and italic text and headings and so on. You can see here that it says to add a new line, press Shift and Enter, and once you finish typing out the note, just press Enter or click anywhere off the note to add it. You'll notice that the topic now has a little icon next to it, meaning that there's a note attached. Click on the note icon to open and view it, and then click into the note to edit it. If you click on the pin here, this expands the note so it appears over here on the right hand side, and it stays open here until you click off it. To remove the note completely, click on it to open it and then click clear. So if you want to explore what else you can do with your mind map, then I suggest you watch this video next, where I show you all there is to know to setting up your new MindMaster map. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.